unboxing this Google Nest Mini, which is the second generation. So let's start unboxing. Here I have this Google Nest Mini. It is also compatible with YouTube Music, Spotify, Google Calendar, Google Maps, Google Duo, Google Assistant, and Philips Hue. On the back side, it says Small and Mighty. There's a picture of it, Google. On the side, it has some features. Let's start unboxing. Here you can see this Google Nest Mini. It has a gray texture on the back. It's very nice. Gray. It's a very nice texture. Also in the box, there's an adapter. Here it says Google on here, white adapter. This. Now let's see what else is in this box. Okay, so I have this box. There's a manual in here. Okay, so the manual right here. It says Google, let's get started. So there's a blue one and a gray one. Okay. Here we have this Google Nest Mini. This is very compact, handy, nice color. There are many sorts of color like red, blue, light gray, but I more prefer this one because it looks very nice. On the back side, there's this wall mounting hook in here so you can mount it on the wall. There's this microphone turn off so you can turn it off, you can turn it back on. And then there's this setup cord, so you can just put in this cord right here and then you can set it up. The only thing that I didn't like about this one was the cord should have been this color instead of white because it doesn't match. So I prefer more this kind of color, the cord, instead of white. Okay, so now let's set it up. Let me plug it in so we can start the process of setting it up. Okay, so now it's on. See the lights right here. And it'll take about a few moments to start up. Meanwhile, let me show you how this setup process works. So you have to download this Google Home app through Play Store or App Store. I already downloaded it so we could start easily. So now after this sound, you will know that it's started up. So now let's start the process. Okay, so click the Google Home app. Set up device. Set up new device in your home. Select your home. Now it's looking for the Google Nest Mini. So now let me find it. This Google Nest Mini right here. Now we have to select where is the device. So I would put it in our family room right here. Next, okay, Wi-Fi. So now at the end, it'll show it like this: devices, family room, speaker, YouTube Music, Google Play, Spotify, whichever one you choose, Wi-Fi, and voice calling. Okay, continue. Learn about your Nest Mini. Okay, next. Play and pause. If you tap the center of it, it'll play or pause. Next. If you want to change the volume, you can do it on the side. You can see the lights are getting more bright and the lights are getting more dull. There's side control. Next, okay, there's a mic switch on the back side right here. Right here. So if I just
The mic's off.
and then
The mic's back on.
like that. So now it's saying the family room speaker is ready. So your Google Nest Mini is all set up and ready to go. Have fun!